So today I'm going to show you how to reset automatic brightness or automatic screen brightness on your Samsung phone. So you might have automatic screen brightness enabled. So that's in the settings, display, and you have your automatic brightness. Now Samsung calls it adaptive brightness, but you kind of feel that it's not bright enough or it's a bit too dim for your liking. And so you kind of want to reset it back to what it used to be. So the first thing you want to do is turn off adaptive brightness. Now, once you turn off adaptive brightness, you can either make it a bit brighter or a bit dimmer, depending on how you like it, so that the phone can pick up the gradient or the brightness that you like in certain conditions. Now, in this specific condition, that's the brightness I like. So once you do that, you can go ahead and restart your Samsung device. Okay, so just go ahead and restart. So once the phone has restarted, you can now go back to settings, display, and then you can turn adaptive brightness back on or automatic screen brightness. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. And if you have any comments or questions, talk to us in the comment section. Good luck.